Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone. Hi everybody, my name is Alicia. Welcome to the 2000 Core English Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is snack. 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 A snack, this word is a noun, refers to a small something that we eat between meals. So this is maybe something healthy like vegetables or fruits, or it could be something unhealthy like junk food, potato chips, for example. It's usually pretty small. Here's an example. Don't eat too many snacks. Don't eat too many snacks. Don't eat too many snacks. Midnight snack. Midnight snack. Midnight snack. A midnight snack is a snack that we eat very late at night. It doesn't have to be at midnight, but a midnight snack is just something that you eat very, very late at night when it's really dark, but you feel that you want to have something. Here's an example. Midnight snacks need to be light so they don't keep you awake. Midnight snacks need to be light so they don't keep you awake. Midnight snacks need to be light so they don't keep you awake. Full. 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 Full is an adjective. When we use it to talk about our bodies when we're eating, full refers to the state when our stomach is at maximum capacity. We cannot eat anymore. We feel like our stomach is as big as it can get. We can also use full in other situations, like when a glass of water is full, it means it's at its maximum capacity. Here's an example. The man is full from the meal. The man is full from the meal. The man is full from the meal. Dessert. 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 Dessert is the very, very sweet meal that we have after dinner. I suppose we can also have a dessert after lunch. The main point here is we have it after the main dish. It's usually something small and sweet. Here's an example. We eat cake at my house every Sunday night for dessert. We eat cake at my house every Sunday night for dessert. We eat cake at my house every Sunday night for dessert. Course meal. Course meal. Course meal. A course meal is something that you usually find at a restaurant. Instead of choosing one dish to order and maybe an appetizer, the restaurant has prepared a series of dishes and they bring them to you in sequence. So you might have 3 courses or even 8 courses or more. Here's an example. At the restaurant, we had a 5-course meal. At the restaurant, we had a 5-course meal. At the restaurant, we had a 5-course meal. Buffet. 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 A buffet is a type of dining where all of the food has already been prepared and is available to all guests to come and choose what they want. Usually we have a plate or a tray, and we can go up to each food and take as much as we like. Here's an example. At a buffet, you can pick only what you want to eat. At a buffet, you can pick only what you want to eat. At a buffet, you can pick only what you want to eat. All you can eat. All you can eat. All you can eat. All you can eat refers to a special type of restaurant or a special kind of dining plan at a restaurant where you pay a certain amount of money and you will be able to eat as much as you possibly can. So there's no change in the price. You just get to eat as much as you can until you cannot eat anymore. Here's an example. I always stuff myself at the all-you-can-eat restaurant. I always stuff myself at the all-you-can-eat restaurant. I always stuff myself at the all-you-can-eat restaurant. Nut, nut, nut. A nut is a popular snack food. There are many types of nuts like peanuts, almonds, cashews, and so on. Here's an example. The squirrel is eating a nut. The squirrel is eating a nut. The squirrel is eating a nut. Peanut, peanut, peanut. A peanut is a very, very, very common kind of nut. You might know it because it's used to make peanut butter. Peanuts are also very commonly used in snack foods. They might be a little salty. Here's an example. Many children and adults are allergic to peanuts. Many children and adults are allergic to peanuts. Many children and adults are allergic to peanuts. Cashew nut. Cashew nut. Cashew nut. Cashews or cashew nuts is another very popular and very common type of nut. These are usually used in snack foods, and you might also see them used in sweets. They tend to have a little bit of a milder flavor. Here's an example. I love to eat honey roasted and salted cashew nuts. I love to eat honey roasted and salted cashew nuts. I love to eat honey roasted and salted cashew nuts. Let's review. I'm going to describe a word or phrase in English. See if you can remember it. Then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say the small bite of food that we have in between meals? Snack. Snack. And how to say the small sweet or the small treat that we have very, very late at night. Midnight snack. Midnight snack. What about the adjective that means our stomach has reached maximum capacity or something else has reached maximum capacity? Full. Full. Do you remember how to say the sweet after meal that we have after the main course? Dessert. Dessert. Let's try the expression that means a certain type of dining where you go to a restaurant and you don't choose one dish to order, but you choose a series of dishes that the restaurant has prepared. Course meal. Course meal. What about the type of dining where you go to a restaurant and all of the food has already been prepared and is available for you to take what you want? Buffet. Buffet. Now, let's see if you remember how to say the type of dining where you pay a certain amount at the beginning and then you can eat as much as you like. All you can eat. All you can eat. Another one. What about a very popular category of snack food? Some examples of these are peanuts, cashews, and almonds. Nut. Nut. Do you remember how to say the very, very popular type of nut that's also used to make peanut butter? Peanut. Peanut. And finally, do you remember how to say the nut that's a little bit mild that is commonly used in snacks and cookies and things? Cashew nut. Cashew nut. Well done. See you next time. Bye.